1 sigma. Am I clear? Plus or minus 1 sigma. Just note down plus or minus 1 sigma. Now similarly, plus or minus 2 sigma, you see, just in place of 1 replaced by 2. 2 sigma. Here also 2. Here also 2. And here 2. Here 2. Minus 2 to plus 2. Now minus 2 to plus 2. Take the normal curve. Minus 2. Plot that area first. This is minus 2. This is plus 2. Now this region we want. So this region. Now find out this region from minus 2 to infinity. Plus 2 to infinity should be removed. Then you will be getting this area, right? From minus 2, write down the probability of area from minus 2 to infinity minus plus 2 to infinity. So what is the area from minus 2 to infinity? Minus 2 to infinity 0.9772. Minus 2 to infinity is minus 2 at 0, that is 0.9772 minus plus 2 to infinity, what's the value? 0.0228. Now after subtracting, what is the value you will be getting it? 0.9554. In terms of percentages, if you convert, 95% region is covered, lies between minus 2 to plus 2. Same concept. In place of 1, everywhere I have converted to 2. Now minus 2 to plus 2 area we have to calculate. So from minus 2 to infinity, remove plus 2 to infinity. This area you have to, blank area should be removed towards infinity side. Minus 2 to infinity minus 2 to infinity. If you remove this area, you will be getting that shaded area. So by seeing the tables, 0.9554. The area under the normal curve lies between plus or minus 2 sigma is 95% area covered. Just note down. Now in place of 2 sigma, change by 3 sigma. Now the region minus 3 to plus 3. Draw the normal curve, minus 3 to plus 3. Minus 3 to plus 3. This is the whole region. This whole region you need to calculate. Write down the area. Probability of area from minus 3 to infinity minus 3 to infinity. What's the value from minus 3 to infinity? Minus 3 to infinity is 0.9987 minus 3 to infinity is 0.0013. After subtracting, you will be getting 99.74. Approximately 99.7, nothing but a 100%. So the total area under the normal curve, this is 1. That means plus or minus 3 sigma. The total area is 1. In a normal curve, the plus or minus 3 sigma, the total area is 1. In terms of percentages, 99.7, that is nothing but exactly 100%. You got it now? In a normal curve, how I have divided? 1 sigma, 2 sigma, 3 sigma. So 1 sigma 68%, 2 sigma 95%, 3 sigma 99%. These are the 3 area properties. I hope I am clear, right? So this is the question. So please thoroughly follow. Everybody must keep the normal tables. Remember, without normal tables we cannot calculate anything. So normal tables are mandatory. Already it has been sent through WhatsApp link, or else if you have textbook, at the back of the textbook, page number 429 and 430, minus z to infinity plus z to infinity normal curve tables we have. So kindly follow those tables. So with this, I am going to wind up this class. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.